Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing this is the Chatty version of a flip through of my memory planner for 2023. I am still a big fan of the Happy Planner. However, this year, if you've been following me, I changed it up to the classic size. It used to be the big. I did 5 years in the big, and now I'm doing the classic. I've done 3 months in here thus far, and it's already getting chunky, so I might have to already put it on some expander rings, but maybe I'll wait another month or two before I do that. For my cover, it's actually the inside version of this cover, which was the 2023 horizontal format. So this is beautiful, but I kind of like it in the inside because I like having the blue edge during my photos. And then the outside was the plethora of butterflies, which I liked even more. So that's where this cover comes from. So also, if you saw my, projects for 2023, you know that I also have purchased the horizontal as well as a vertical classic planner to do my memory keeping in. And you'll see that I change up the layouts depending on how I have been using the products to go along with it. No rhyme or reason, I just change it when I feel like it. Once again, I don't use any of the planning things, the perpetual calendar or anything like that, nor the currently page. So let's get into January. I started to keep some little bits and pieces. I used to do this as a reel, like on my page, but just kind of kept up with it lightly as so. So I'll always have like the little wallflowers, a business card. I probably bought a plant while I had new sneakers, and I went to Tuesday morning. We went to Crumble. So I like to keep paraphernalia. I sometimes remember it, but not every single time. The week one, this was using a Tracy Reed collection called Renewal. I have a reel, I think, on my channel with this. And there's a flip up here with more photos. And this one was using the horizontal layout. Horizontal again, these were stickers from Planet Darbi. And I will say, as a caveat right now, a lot of the layouts are using Planet Darbi stickers. I was on her design team for this term, and she chose me to feature her stickers in my memory planner because she does a lot of planner stickers. So I was the memory planning guru. So sorry if that seemed repetitive throughout it, but my term did end this week. So now I can use whatever products I want to. So on this layout, it was a horizontal again. I have another flip up. I had put in a new garbage can in the cabinets that week. And then I stamped out Day at the Fair. These were Heidi Swap Alphas, but everything else are Planet Darbi stickers. This is the vertical layout. You can see the dates on the top. Planet Darbi stickers once again, and then the photos are all on the bottom. I just have all the flowers kind of sprouting up behind it, and using gray ink and some paint splatters. This is a combination of Planet Darbi floral stickers, but then this and this are from Heidi Swap Stop the Blur kits. So there's another photo in here on this one. I do like a lot of the Stop the Blur products. I am subscribed to it, but I did cancel it. I think I did a 6-month commitment because I couldn't keep up with all of these little bits. So I might use them in another creative way. This stamping is L Studio. That's the small, what is it called? Right here. Small tile stamp is that one. And I did do a currently page. This was the stickers from Planet Darbi. I just never actually filled it in. Go figure. Here is the calendar for February. Just a few things. Got a new pair of jeans. Molly got a Squishmallow. Wallflowers. Color Street. I had went to a conference, and then some wrappers from things. This was so cute. These are not Planet Darbi stickers. The bagel stickers are Caitlin Plans. She has an Etsy shop. And then the florals are Live, Love, Posh. So this was one that I kind of did off key from my normal layouts for her, just to use other things, because I think this is when she came out with these. I thought they were adorable. Like, I printed them again already too, so that I can use them again. I always buy the printables so I can use them again and again. And then these florals just worked perfectly. And I'm using a gold Jelly Roll pen, one of these. The gold metallic. Here, vertical layout, we're using Planet Darbi stickers. This is 2 different sheets, the Valentine's Day and those flowers again. And then it's like a teal ink color. And this was the vertical. Planet Darbi stickers once again, vertical layout. I had all the photos down the center with all the kites, and the paint splatters are the other stickers. And then always, of course, like the planner boxes. I always have tons of these because, like I said, I'm not a decorative planner person. So when I have to use them, I use them as the areas to do all my journaling. And the quote is also one of hers as well. Simple layout, but very cute. Boom with the blooms. Planet Darbi stickers once again. This is the horizontal layout. Did the clustering so that it weaved like that. And then my journaling is done with the gray ink once again. I definitely like the page. It makes you travel quite nicely with all of this going on. It's a powerful spread. I love it. I did a one-off memory page. This was using stickers from her collection again. This was like the best friend sticker sheet. And there's just a picture of Valentina and her friend on a play date that we had. This was another one-off. This was a Tracy Reed real quick project to show that my car got broken into again. And the collection was perfect. It was called Tempest. And it literally said, seriously, WTF, just ugh, heck no. So the story for that was perfect with that collection. Here is March, a few things of things purchased. This one is the vertical layout. These flower stickers are Live, Love, Posh. She is one of my favorites, so I might just get into using all of those because I have like every sticker book she's ever done, and I haven't made a dent in much of them, but I am using those sticker books in my reading journal, which I know I'm also behind in sharing with you as well. I will get to that video. And then gray ink here. These were Planet Darbi stickers once again. This was her True Floral collection, and the colors I used were the auburn and sepia, which gives it this brown orangey color going on. And once again, use the metallic jelly roll pen for the ink. Then this was a recent one. She did these butterflies in the warm colorway, and then I have one in a few pages in the cool colorway. This is the horizontal layout. Once again, use the gold jelly roll and stamp this out. This is Allie Edwards Alphas, and then some washi tape that matched. Once again, Planet Darbi stickers. This was her spring picnic release. Vertical layout, but I had everything kind of similar to this one, the way this all gets heavy on the sides and cascades up. So similar thing going on here with my photos and that picnic scene on the bottom. Super cute, gray ink used. And then here's that last week in March. And see, this is the cools, and I actually didn't do my journaling yet, but because I just had finished this one. And then some washi tape is from my stash with the photos. So then, yeah, then we're in April. So I am a week behind. I will catch up, and then we'll have another quarter flip through. So I am keeping up with this. The smaller size is working good for me this year, simply because I have been doing storytelling in my scrapbooking in that 6x8 format, if you're not familiar with my channel. So a lot of my lengthier journaling is going into that album. So I find that I don't need to journal as much lately in here, but I still capture all of the smaller moments in this format. I do love the project still, so you will still see this. I know I haven't been showing you as many process videos because sometimes I felt like I got under the gun because I was a rep for her team and she wanted them every week, that, you know, sometimes I would film 2 at a time or 3 at a time, and I just couldn't get behind with doing this, being on her rep team. So with that to say, I might get behind now and then do 2 weeks at a time to show you. That seems silly, but that is why there hasn't been that many videos in my memory planner this year so far. But if you're interested, I will leave Planet Darbi's sticker shop below. I do not believe my coupon code will work anymore because, like I said, I'm not on her team. But if you're interested in any of the stickers that you saw, I will leave her Etsy shop link down below. As always, if you are here as a constant subscriber, hello everyone. If you are new, please consider subscribing. If you can, give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, bye.